I'll get it. It's finally here.
What is that, Dad?
It's my 3D printer, and nobody touches it but me. I'll be right back.
Sure thing, Dad.
Now time for some fun. Time to make some Audreys.
Hey, my printer. Audrey, did you take my printer?
Nope, ask her.
Maybe ask them.
What is happening? What the? Oh, Audrey, is that really you?
Of course it is, silly. Why?
Because of this.
What do we do?
It's okay as long as they don't malfunction. Stay here. I have an idea. Hey, Audrey, want some of this?